What am I thankful for? I'm thankful for obviously my friends, family, and the opportunities here. But to be honest, I'm most thankful for my coffee and the mute button on conference calls that keeps me out of trouble.
I am thankful to find a place that I am comfortable with my coworkers. We have fun, we laugh, and I'm so thankful for the team we have.
I'm thankful my check come every other Friday.
You're welcome. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that every other week.
Coffee is 2 S. Right. That's right. Where did it go? Everybody did some pretty handwriting. That's true.
I'm thankful for friends, family, health, and those memes that make you laugh so hard you cry.
I am thankful for that tomorrow, my daughter Trista, if she doesn't have the baby today, will be induced, and my little grandson Rex will be born tomorrow or the following day. Hopefully it's tomorrow because that's his grandpa's birthday too. So that's what I'm thankful for.